Yan, hello guys. So, good morning. So, naglalakad kami ngayon ni Ethan. Naglalakad kami ngayon ni Ethan. Ethan, say hi. Yan, lakad kami. Kailangan namin maglakad ng mga more than 1 kilometer para kunin yung sasakyan. So, walking kami. Yan, sa highway kami ngayon. Oh, what can you say, Ethan? What can you say? Here muna, sa side. What can you say? Happy walking? Are you happy walking? Oh, don't touch that. Are you happy? Are you happy walking with Daddy?
Where's but the insect is going down?
Down.
Where's
Yeah.
the insect?
So, lakad-lakad kami ngayon, guys. Medyo malayo pa yung lalakarin namin eh, no? Yun, layo pa. Layo pa yung lakad namin, guys. I think mga ano to eh, mga siguro 1.3 kilometers yung layo sa bahay. So, niyayaw ko itong bata para ma-exercise na rin, tsaka maarawan. Yun. Sa highway kami. Happy, Ethan? Are you good? Very good. Love you. Say I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
You love Daddy? Okay, Daddy. Love you. Oh, ang dami naming nadaan ng time bomb dito eh. No, Ethan, you so many poops? So many? Oh, the dog poops and the cat poops, right? Wow. Marami kaming nadaanan, guys. Napalaban si Ethan. Napalaban si Ethan. Yun, oh. Okay, guys. So, nakuha na namin yung sasakyan, si Buknoy. So, pawis na pawis, oh. Oh, look at Ethan, oh. Look at Ethan. Sweating. So many. Very good. Are you happy? Happy? Get the car already? So, we going home na. So, happy na si Ethan. Kuha niya na si Buknoy. Pawis, oh. Grabe yung pawis. Oh, Ethan, are you happy?
Yes.
Going home na? Say I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.